In this video, we are going to see that if you are come across an error of WINWORD.EXE application error in Microsoft Office or in Word applications or in Windows as a journal, which says the application was unable to start correctly and error code is 0xc0000142, click OK to close the application. Here is the quick solution for you. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, just make sure that you close the complete application of Microsoft Office, whether it's PowerPoint, Word, Excel. You have to close everything and restart it once, the Windows once, so that you can make sure of that any application is not open even in the background. And after that, just go to the start menu and open up registry editor. You can also write regedit. Just right click and run this as administrator. And you might receive this prompt that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. Now this is a very important step, and if anything goes wrong, it can ruin your Windows as well. So I always recommend that before even making any change, you need to export the backup. You need to take the backup. It's very simple. Just click on file and export. Choose the location and you can select the file name. I prefer to keep the file name as the current date or current year, and a reference name as well. Just choose the location other than C drive and just save there. So whenever you want to restore that, just click on file and import, and that should be it. You can easily restore it to the previous point if anything goes wrong. So I highly recommend you to take the backup before continuing. And now let's continue. We will click on HKey local machine, and then we will search for the software. Then we'll go in the Microsoft, just drill it down. Now just search for Windows NT. And by the way, guys, it's very easy to search because all of this is alphabetically arranged perfectly. So we have to just scroll down to find Windows NT. Here it is. And just double click on it. We wanna double click on current version as well. And in the current version, just search for image file execution errors. You can get this complete reference or complete route over here on the top. So here it is, image file execution options. Just double click here again. And here, if you expand this, we want to search for WINWORD.EXE. Here it is, but make sure that your Office is installed. Otherwise you will not get this option altogether. So what I'll do is I'll attach this complete link here. So what we can do is, let me just show you. If you just copy this complete link, what you can do easily is just open up registry editor directly. Right click and run as administrator, click yes. And here you can just simply paste that complete link, and you will notice something that you appear directly in this option. So whatever we paste, we go around that option. So this way it will be very easy for you to locate this. Just right click here and click on delete. It will ask you, are you sure you want to permanently delete this key and all of its sub keys? Click yes. And once you do that, just close out of here and restart your computer to make this effective and to see whether this thing works or not. So let's close everything, restart your computer. And even after deleting, guys, you need to restart and you can check for yourself that everything still works perfectly. If you have a confusion, you can see that it perfectly works. So this should be the quick solution for WINWORD.EXE application error 0xc0000142. Just try this by yourself and comment down below if that works for you, and I will see you in the next one.